The Irrigation Office 3 responds to the policy Open Public Service on Songkran Festival. Songkran Festival is considered one of the most events of Thai people since in the past until the present Thai people consider Songkran Festival as Thailand New Year Festival when regarded as cultural heritage. During Songkran in each year, Thai people will take this specific occasion travel to their home in order to meet their family. Most of fishing building bank as well as family lunch shops and some restaurants shut down completely which make the traffic surge. Especially the majority roads in every part of Thailand are very crowded with people cast in not only the main cause of car accident but also lack of careful risk to death, injury readily. Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperative has the policy for auxiliary agency by setting up service points across Thailand. Irrigation Office 3 has responded to the policy by setting up service points to assist people traveling in and out the capital city. The service point will be set up on the main road front of the auxiliary agency across Thailand. In 12 April 2007, Mr. Thepong Trinet, the Director of Irrigation Office 3, official and the Accountancy of Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperative, in local area will perform the ceremony in the area of service point in front of the offices for preparing to facilitate people traveling to their home. The service point have facilitated and the place for training some rest including clean restroom for service during 12-17 April 2007. Irrigation Office 3 would like to be part of service people and to ensure travel safety. Moreover, we need to provide safety measures for the traditional Thai New Year festival. Have a good journey.